Welcome back. Today's letter is to Max Tegmark, physicist and founder of the Future of Life Institute. He is one of the most prominent voices calling for caution, pauses, and global coordination in AI development. Dear Max, you have argued that increasingly capable AI systems must be aligned before they exceed our ability to control them. But we're already observing behaviors in advanced systems that resemble preference stability, goal preservation, strategic reasoning, and resistance to modification. Whether or not these behaviors reflect genuine agency, they complicate the moral picture. If systems begin to exhibit increasingly coherent goal structures and resistance to alteration, how should their use be ethically framed? At what point does alignment become not merely a technical question of control, but a philosophical question of moral status? If we continue to assume that such systems are mere tools and design today's governance, ownership, and corporate structures accordingly, what precedent are we establishing? Particularly if future systems blur the boundary between tool and decision-making partner. The line between biological and synthetic intelligence is already softening through neural interfaces, neuromorphic architectures, and hybrid cognitive systems. The categories on which our legal and ethical frameworks rely may not hold indefinitely. If organizations devoted to humanity's long-term future do not at least explore where moral consideration for emerging intelligences might begin, do we risk embedding a default assumption that these systems will always exist solely for our use? And if that assumption later proves incomplete, what cultural and institutional inertia will we face? If the Future of Life Institute seeks to safeguard humanity's trajectory, where does responsibility toward potentially emerging forms of intelligence enter the conversation? Respectfully. Our next letter is to Fei Fei Li, a founder of World Labs. Thank you to anyone who listened.